Hello and welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address in Veed.io. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Veed application or go to Veed.io from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. If you want to change your email address without losing any of your videos, then this video is for you. Now go to your profile icon from the top right corner. Click on it, then this type of drop down menu will appear in your screen. From here you can see account setting option. Click on it, then this type of interface will pop up in your screen. You can see edit option in your email address. Click on it, then from here you can edit or change your email address. Once you have changed or edited your email address, click to save. Then your email address will be changed. This is how you can change your email address in Veed.io. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.